Piedmont 4414 Tower, your number 2, falling MD-80 on a 2-mile final braking action, reported good by Boeing 757. Only 4 RVRs, 4,000 touchdown, 3,500 rollout, wind 040 at 14, only 4 clear line.
Clear line 4414.
Citrus 500 Tower, hold short of the ILS hold line and advise when you have new information, kilo please.
Okay, we'll hold short of the ILS hold line, Citrus 500 will advise me of kilo. We're just going to need 1 minute to check our wings, make sure they're good before we go.
American 386, we saw the runway at about 300 feet.
And American 386, you said you broke out at 300?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Piedmont 4414, previous arrival reported breaking out at 300.
Roger.
The Guardia Tower, you can flight 4586. Flight 4586 Tower, number 2 on the approach phone, dash 8 on 2-mile final. Expect 1 departure, same runway between you and the traffic, landing clearance on a 3-mile final. Eagle 4586, ceiling reported rate at minimums, and RVRs for only 4,500 touchdown, 4,000 rollouts. Breaking action reported good by Boeing 757.
Citrus 500 has kilo, ready for takeoff.
Citrus 500, hold short on only 4 landing traffic, hold short of the ILS hold line 4.
Hold short ILS 4.
Citrus 500, next arrival is the regional, jet on a 6-mile final, runway 4, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 4, watch that, Citrus 500.
And no need to acknowledge at this time, Piedmont 4414, I'd like you to keep it rolling down to taxiway Golf. Turn right at Golf, contact ground point 7.
Okay, we'll keep it rolling right at the Golf and ground point 7, Piedmont 4414.
Citrus 500 RVRs, 4,500 rollouts, 4,000, wind 030 at 13, runway 4, left 6.
Clear to go, runway 4, Citrus 500.
Eagle 4586, traffic departing now, Boeing 717, wind 030 at 13, runway 4, clear to land.
Clear line runway 4, Eagle Flight 4586.
Delta 2653 Tower, hold short of the ILS hold line. Delta is 2551 Tower, next arrival is 4-mile final, dash 8, runway 4, line up and wait.
Line up and wait for Delta 2551, and for planning purposes, we're going to need about 30 seconds on the runway for run-up.
2551 expedite into position. Delta 2551, advise as soon as you're ready.
Alright, Delta 2551. Delta 2551 is ready.
Delta 2551, thank you, RVR 6000, all the way. Wind 03017, runway 4, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on runway 4, Delta 2551.
Delta 2551, contact departure 20.8, thanks.
Good day, Delta 2551.